You moved your CapCut project to another Mac. You open it, and the timeline is red. Every clip, every image, every sound. Not corrupted, not deleted, just missing. If that ever happened to you, stay here. I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how I fixed it for good. Here's the thing nobody tells you. A CapCut project folder is not your video. It's a set of instructions. It tells CapCut where every cut goes, what text to show, and where to find each source file. Your actual footage, it might still be sitting in downloads, on your desktop, on an external drive, connected to your first Mac. So, when you copy just the project folder, you are copying the instructions, not the files they point to. That's why the first Mac plays it fine, and the second Mac shows you nothing but red placeholders. Let's say your client wants the original project file, not the final video. You edited everything in CapCut. So, what do you send them? An MP4 won't work. They can watch it, they can post it, but they can't move a cut. They can't affix the captions, they can't swap the music. An editable project means the timeline, the text, the effects, and every single video, image, and audio file you used. Imagine your project is 60 gigabytes. To move it through the cloud, you upload 60 gigabytes, then download the same 60 gigabytes again. That's two massive transfers, a rock-solid internet connection, and enough free space on your second Mac. For a project that size, cloud transfer isn't convenient. It's a bottleneck. Before installing macOS or switching Macs, saving your finished videos isn't enough. Your final MP4 doesn't let you make revisions later. The draft and the sort media do. You can rebuild your cache and can't rebuild a lost search file or all your editing decisions. Do this manually and you'll spend hours collecting folders and checking file links, hoping nothing missing. I ran into every one of these problems, so I built a tool for it. It's called DropCut. You pick a CapCut project, DropCut scans it, and finds every file the project depends on. Every video, every image, every audio clip, whatever they are hidden. Then it packages the draft and all its media into one single portable file. You can AirDrop it, save it to a flash drive, put it on external SSD. It doesn't matter how it travels. On the other Mac, hit import, and the project shows up in your CapCut library, fully linked. Nothing red, nothing missing. And before it even starts packaging, DropCut checks that every file is actually there. If something's missing, it tells you right away while you can still find it on your first Mac. CapCut projects were never built to move easily between Macs. That's not your fault, but you don't need to manually hunt down files, babysit cloud, uploads, or lose your client's project the night before a deadline. DropCut does the collecting for you. One project in, one portable file out. A link is in description. Go check it out and stop losing your CapCut project for good. Bye-bye. Subscribe, все там вот эти донаты, шмонаты.